Look at this. It looks so good. This beautiful recipe is such a game changer. Your first trimester might have been hard, period. You've not been eating the way you wanted to eat. You thought that you're going to eat all the healthy stuff, do all the amazing things for the growth of the baby and for your nutrient repletion as well, but you weren't able to do that. So stick around. This is as easy as that. A whole bunch of nutrients in it and the protein that's going to help with the growth spurt of your baby, as well as for you, for your stretching body, and also to be used for childbirth and also your postpartum, inshallah. This is the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'm going to first mix the wet ingredients and then the dry ingredients. So I have banana here. Banana is very ripe. So you want a very ripe banana because you have a lot of sweetness in it, but not too much ripe to the extent that it is really melting and disintegrating. I have 1.5 cup of almond flour. Is high in protein, gluten-free. I have 1 cup of rolled oat here, and I have 3 eggs. Eggs are amazing protein foods. The yolk has a lot of choline, the key nutrient that the baby uses for the brain development. So choline is amazing, and if you are not eating food that has choline in it, please start eating, especially in your second trimester, going to your third trimester, and you need it even after, because your baby needs it if you want to nurse the baby. Baking powder over here, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of chocolate chips. This is unsweetened. And then I have semi-sweet 1/2 cup of chocolate chunks, and I have a pinch of salt, less than a teaspoon of salt, and I have maple syrup right here. I'm going to use 1/4 cup or less, and then I have some melted butter. If you are lactose intolerant, butter might not work very good for you. You can opt in for clarified butter, and that is also called ghee. So ghee is butter that has been slowly cooked in a way that all the lactose has evaporated, has separated from the actual oils of the batter. If you don't know what ghee is, I'm going to link it down in the description box. You can check the link after I am done with this video. If you're interested, you can get it. To even up the protein in this recipe, adding collagen powder or collagen peptide is a good idea because it's going to add a lot of glycine and also a lot of protein in it. Glycine is an essential nutrient that our body needs when you're pregnant, when you are nursing your baby, even after pregnancy and after birth, and you are planning to be pregnant in the future. You need a whole bunch of amino acids, and one of the amino acids is glycine that you need for your body. All right, so I think our oven is preheated, so let's quickly mix everything and then move on to what we need to do. I'm going to puree the banana. Okay, I will just mash it. I'm not going to use a special tool to do that. I'm going to only use a spoon or a ladle, okay, or a fork. I can easily use a fork to do that, or I can use this. So mash it and make it into puree, and that makes it a wet ingredient. If you want a lot of chunks, you can just mash it halfway. If you don't want a lot of chunks of banana in your loaf, continue to puree it until it is like really smooth. I threw away my whisk just yesterday when I was making cake with my girls, because one of the thongs, is it the thongs or something like that, comes together to make the whisk, has like separated, it has come out. So just for them to be safe, I threw it away, and today I need it, but I couldn't go to the market. So this is my puree banana Okay, I'm now going to add my egg. I have some eggshells in here. Okay, so I think I might need the fork to whisk it. Okay, mix it up. I'm going to add my butter. Okay, mix it. Not too much mixing. This is not cake, so just a little bit. And then I'll add my maple syrup. Because the banana is sweet, I don't want to add a lot of sweetness to this, so just a little bit of maple syrup. The recipe calls for 1/4 cup, so I use a little less than 1/4 cup. Shouldn't be too sweet. So okay, good. So I added that. So I'm going to add my almond flour, at the same time adding my rolled oat and mixing it up. Okay, I think I might need. I'll go ahead and add my baking soda and then baking powder and then my cinnamon and then my salt. Mix all together. Working with almond flour is really forgiving because almond flour absorbs a lot of liquid. Okay, so when you leave this to set, it's gonna absorb all the liquid in here. It's gonna like really be thick. And then I'll go ahead and fold in the chocolate chips. All right, and I have my butter over here. Because I put it on the oven, it is too melted, so I'm going to coat my pan. I don't have parchment paper. I would have used parchment paper and that would have been so easy. So when this bakes, it's gonna be like, just take it off and the pan is clean, not too much of a cleaning. And I'm going to add my batter in. Okay, and I'll add the chocolate chunks in. Okay, this is gonna be yummy. Going into the oven. It's already preheated, so I put this in right here and I'm going to bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes. I know that it is like already 20 minutes. Okay, it looks like it's coming together so well. 10 more minutes and then I'll check on it. I'm going to go back and check on the recipe again. It looks like it is ready because the smell is amazing. Ooh, look at this. It looks so good. Okay, it looks so good. It's gonna taste good. Tastes good already. All right. Okay. I like it. And it smells so good and it looks so good. So I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes before I remove it from the pan. This is it, inshallah. I hope you will try it. And I'm gonna have it in a written form and share it sometime on Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is the Nourished Muslimah. So I share similar posts about pregnancy, nutrition, postpartum, and some education around doula and childbirth. So I will end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video and you've learned one or two. May Allah increase us in Iman and protect us from the fitna of the dunya and the fitna of the unseen. So until next time, inshallah, stay blessed and stay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum salam.